Most people mess this up when grilling ribs over charcoal. I used to make these mistakes all the time and my ribs would end up burnt, dry, or just not as good as they could have been. But once I figured out these small adjustments, my ribs turned out way better. So let's go over 3 simple changes that can make a huge difference. The biggest reason ribs don't turn out right? Poor heat control. If you cook ribs over high heat the entire time with no game plan, they'll burn before they get tender. Even if you're cooking hot and fast, it doesn't hurt to have a cooler area to move the ribs when needed. That's where a safe zone comes in. It prevents flare-ups and keeps your ribs from charring too fast. But managing heat is just the first step. Even if your setup is perfect, your ribs can still dry out fast over charcoal. That's where basting comes in. A lot of people don't realize how much moisture charcoal cooking can pull from meat. That's why basting is key. A simple mop sauce or spritz every 10 minutes or so can keep your ribs juicy and add layers of flavor without overpowering the meat. These little adjustments can make a huge difference. And if you want to avoid more common grilling mistakes, grab my free guide. It breaks down 5 common grilling mistakes and simple fixes to help you get better results every time. Click the link below to grab your copy. But here's the thing, moisture isn't the only thing that affects flavor. What you do or don't do with seasoning can make or break your ribs. Charcoal adds amazing flavor to ribs if you let it do its job. Too many people over-season or add too much sauce way too early, covering up the natural smokiness. Keeping it simple with a balanced rub and clean burning coals brings out the best natural flavor. And that's really what it comes down to. Small adjustments that let the fire, the moisture, and the seasoning all work together for better ribs. Put these 3 things in place and you'll notice a difference immediately. Grilling ribs over charcoal doesn't have to be complicated. Just focus on these small changes and trust me, you'll see a big difference. And if you want to avoid even more grilling mistakes, download my free guide, 5 common grilling mistakes and how to fix them. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy now. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.